Welcome to Santorini, Greece, a dream destination that feels like it's been painted straight out of a postcard. With its iconic whitewashed buildings, blue-domed churches, and stunning views of the Aegean Sea, Santorini is a slice of paradise that blends natural beauty, history, and vibrant culture. Did you know Santorini is actually the remnants of a massive volcanic eruption? This island's crescent shape and dramatic cliffs are reminders of its explosive past, which shaped it into the beauty we know today. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to spend a perfect day in Santorini, from sunrise to sunset. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just here for the iconic views, we've got you covered with the ultimate itinerary, insider tips, and budget-friendly options to make your trip unforgettable. Start your day early with the magical Santorini sunrise. Head to Fyra, the island's bustling capital, where the sun bathes the caldera in warm golden hues. Grab a coffee and a traditional bugazza, a flaky pastry filled with cream or cheese, at a local cafe like Pelican Kipos. While sipping your coffee, take in the views of the caldera. It's the perfect way to energize for the day ahead. After breakfast, explore the charming streets of Fyra. Stroll through the narrow alleys lined with boutique shops and art galleries, and don't miss the Archaeological Museum of Thera to learn about the island's ancient Minoan history. Admission costs around €6, 525 Indian rupees. If you're feeling adventurous, embark on the scenic hike from Fyra to Oia. This 10-kilometer trail takes about 3 hours and offers breathtaking views of the caldera, cliffs, and Aegean Sea. Wear comfortable shoes and carry water because the path can get steep in places. For history buffs, head south to the archaeological site of Akrotiri, a well-preserved Bronze Age settlement often called the Pompeii of the Aegean. Entry costs €12, 1,050 Indian rupees, and guided tours are available for an additional fee. This journey back in time reveals ancient frescoes, artifacts, and insights into the sophisticated Minoan civilization. When hunger strikes, stop by Metaxi Mas, a local gem known for its authentic Santorinian dishes. Try fava, a creamy yellow split pea puree, tomato fritters, and freshly grilled seafood. Pair your meal with a glass of Assyrtiko wine, made from grapes grown in Santorini's volcanic soil. A hearty meal here costs around €20 to €25, 1,750 to 2,200 Indian rupees, per person. For budget-friendly options, head to Lucky's Souvlaki's in Fyra, where you can enjoy a delicious souvlaki wrap for just €3 to €4, 250 to 350 Indian rupees. In the afternoon, make your way to Oia, the crown jewel of Santorini. Known for its iconic blue-domed churches and cobblestone streets, Oia is a photographer's paradise. Wander through its charming lanes, shop for souvenirs, and stop by Atlantis Books, a cozy bookstore tucked into the cliffs. From Oia, descend the steps to Amudi Bay, a picturesque fishing village. Here, you can dip your toes in the clear waters or simply relax at a waterfront taverna. If you're up for a thrill, try cliff jumping at the nearby rock formations, a favorite activity for adventurers. Santorini's sunsets are legendary, and Oia is the perfect spot to witness them. However, it can get crowded, so arrive early to secure a good view. Alternatively, the Akrotiri Lighthouse offers a quieter but equally mesmerizing sunset experience. For dinner, indulge in a romantic meal at Ambrosia in Oia. Their terrace overlooks the caldera, making it an unforgettable dining experience. If you're on a budget, opt for a casual meal at Pita Gyros, famous for its gyros and local delicacies. Dinner costs range from €15 to €30, 1,300 to 2,600 Indian rupees, per person. Tips for visiting Santorini. The best time to visit Santorini is between April to June or September to October. During these months, the weather is perfect, not too hot, and the crowds are much smaller, so you can truly enjoy the island's charm. If visiting in August, check out the Ifestia Festival, which features a reenactment of Santorini's volcanic eruption with fireworks and cultural events. When it comes to getting around, renting a scooter or ATV is a fun and flexible option, costing about 25 to 40 euros per day. If you're traveling on a budget, the island's bus system is reliable and super affordable, with tickets priced at just Euro 1.80-2.50 per ride. And don't forget to pack smart. Comfortable shoes, sunscreen, and a hat are absolute must-haves, especially if you're planning to explore the island's trails or spend long hours in the sun. These essentials will keep you comfortable and protected while you soak in Santorini's beauty. For iconic shots of OIA's blue dome churches, visit early in the morning or just after sunrise when the light is soft and the crowds are minimal. Download local taxi apps like Welcome Pickups or arrange for private transfers in advance, as taxis are limited and can be expensive. By keeping these tips in mind, you'll ensure your Santorini trip is smooth, memorable, and full of unforgettable experiences. And that wraps up your perfect day in Santorini. Whether you're hiking, indulging in delicious food, or soaking in breathtaking sunsets, this island has something magical for everyone. If you enjoyed this travel guide, give us a thumbs up, share your favorite Santorini moments in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, happy travels.